In this video, I'll guide you through opening a demo account on Exness. If you don't have an Exness account yet, click the link in the video description below to access the Exness account registration page. First, select your country. Then fill in your email, password, and the partner code. You can find the partner code in the video description as well. The partner code is FC219CBWSS. By entering this code, you'll be eligible for a 20% fee refund. Exness offers a cashback feature that refunds transaction fees to traders. Simply register with this code and I'll set it up for you to receive the 20% fee refund. Then click Continue. Alright, you've registered an account. Now choose your trading account type. Do you want a demo or real account? Click the plus button here to open an account. Then click on Demo Account and select the type you want. For pros, choose the zero account. The lower accounts are for professional traders. This is a standard account recommended for most users. Open it, click Continue. Set USD as default. Leverage is 1, 2000 or unlimited. You can keep defaults. The platform is empty. Name your account like Demo Test. Then click Continue, then the password to enter this demo account. It will include a capital letter and lowercase letters and a number. And there is an additional special symbol which is to create a password. Then after you finish creating the password, you click Open. So I have completed creating this demo account. It doesn't have any money yet. You can deposit here and then you enter the amount you want to deposit here. For instance, I want to deposit this $1,000. Click Continue and then OK. That's it. I have finished depositing $1,000 into this demo account. It now has $100,000. Hey, now you can test it on the app. You click on it and it will always trade right on the Exness app. This is it. This Bitcoin trade can be switched to other pairs. Click here for options like gold, USD gold, or currencies. Gold trading isn't open now, so it's unavailable. To trade on MetaTrader 5, tap Details to view your account info. Over on the settings side, you'll find the login section, server, and the password you just set. I'll now show you how to continuously log in on MetaTrader 5. You can perform transactions through this app or MetaTrader 5, and then you'll go to the App Store or CHFly to download MetaTrader 5. I've already downloaded it. Now I'll open it, and then you will click to add this T account, or click on the plus sign at the top right. I'll click in the middle here and then search for this Vietnamese X. You open the ESN here on this server. Here you copy this server and then paste it here. After you've found it, click and now enter the username and password, then go back to this SNET, get the login account, copy it, then go back to beta THD5, paste it here, and after pasting you will re-enter the password you logged in with earlier and then click login. OK. That's it, you've successfully logged in. and it now displays the same balance as in the Sol and I previously entered. Finally, to start trading, you will first click on the bottom left corner here. You'll click here, then click on the plus sign here. The plus sign is up there. If you want to trade gold, look for XAU, that's gold with USDT and USD dollar. You'll then click Add. There's this plus sign. Or for Bitcoin, look for BTC with this USD USB and you will click here to add it. I've already added it. Go back, pull it down, and it will show BTC and gold. Now the gold market is closed, so you can't trade it. I'll click on Bitcoin here, then you'll click here on New Order. That's a trade, or click on this button, and I will click here to switch from this coin to Bitcoin or gold. Then I'll click on Bitcoin, making it a trade. Through this transaction section, click Add here. You can enter now. I'll try to click it. Hey, the UI is jammed, so you can now enter your trade order.